Hello, what is up everybody, RO57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out the Tarmac Works VERTEX Nissan Silvia S13, and this is now colored in red. And as you can tell, we'll start off from the box as always. So we have this dark gray or sort of black color on the top and also gray at the bottom, and then we have the car's sort of illustration on the side right here for the front part of the car, and here is the back side of the car, as you can tell. Very cool. And then let's move on to the top. We have Global 64 right there as well. Moving down to the back, we have the Tarmac Works as well as VERTEX, and also black and sort of gray. Let's move on to the bottom of the box. So it says Tarmac Works VERTEX, Tarmac for good, Skill 164, VERTEX Nissan Silvia S13 red metallic, and there is the barcode if you need it. Licensed by Nissan and also made in China, with the Tarmac Works socials right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up, but before that, let me just tell you where I bought this. I bought this at, of course, Two Monster Shop. You can go check their store out by clicking the link down in the description down below, or if you're not from Malaysia, you can go get your hands on this from the Tarmac Works website if it's still available. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this one up. So since I started reviewing Tarmac Works cars, this is my second VERTEX Silvia. My first one was in that matte black. That was it the S14? I think it was the S14 Silvia. And this time we're reviewing the S13 Silvia in this red metallic color right here. So it's sort of like in this dark red. I mean, not so dark red. I mean, sort of like this metallic cherry red, I think you can say that. So it's in this sort of red metallic color right here, which is awesome. So the only things I need to commentate first about is this is more to a Japanese sort of custom car. Basically, this is tuned by VERTEX, as well as I believe their body kit is also from VERTEX as well, which is cool. VERTEX is more to like this tuning body kit company, if I'm not mistaken, and they basically provide body kits more to Japanese cars, especially Silvias, Mazda RX-7s, and basically something like that. And here's one of it. This is the S13. Now, if you might have remembered my second Tarmac Works video that I've done on this channel, basically I reviewed the VERTEX Nissan Silvia S14 in that matte black color. That was also cool, and also made by VERTEX as well, with the Nissan licensing as always. And this is yet another VERTEX car, which is the Silvia S13. There's also the S15, which I didn't actually buy yet. Maybe somewhere in the future I might actually get my hands on that, but for now we will stick to the S13 right here for now. And this looks great. I mean, judging by how it looks right here, first things first, it looks slightly funny as there's no rear spoiler or rear lip. At least it's basically just flat and there's basically nothing. Even though there's no spoiler or anything, you do have the customized front bumper and also rear bumper. Side skirts, I believe they are customized as well. Other than that, I'm not sure what else is customized. So this car, of course, with the metallic red color, before I forget to mention, does come with the chrome silver rim treatment, as you can tell. I believe the front rims are also the same as the rear rims as well, so both same set of rims right there, as you can tell. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a closer look at this VERTEX S13 right here. So we'll start off from the side. As you can tell, pretty clean, standard Silvia body color right here in this metallic red. And let's start off from the back right here. You do have the chrome silver rims, as you can tell, with basically 5-spoke sort of rims right there, which are pretty cool. The tires are rubber, by the way, not so thick rubber tires. Just in the middle, not so thick, not so thin rubber tires, which are pretty cool. You do have this gas cap at the back right here as well. You have some black trim right here at the window, and also the window itself, of course. You have the door handle right here. Nothing much to say. You do have the side skirt right here, which is, I believe, not customized. I think, I'm not entirely sure. And yeah, you do have the side mirror, which is, I'm not sure, is it plastic or maybe is it rubber? I'm not entirely sure, as the side mirrors are quite small, which is I guess pretty fine. And is it carbon fiber? No, it's not carbon fiber. Sort of like that typical matte black sort of side mirror right there, which is actually pretty nice. Let's move on to the front. So you do have the lensed headlight details right here. If you look closely, you have lensed headlights or transparent headlights right here, which are regular tinted, by the way. You have this tiny little front grille. You do have the side blinkers right here for the car. If you look closely, you do have the details of the intercooler inside, colored in sort of like that silver color, which is actually pretty neat. I love the attention to detail for this car, especially with the intercooler inside. That is so cool. So exposed intercooler, which I do really like. So customized, I believe, customized front bumper right here with the standard front bumper or front splitter, which is actually pretty cool. Love to see that. Front hood, I believe there's no like customization for the hood, so they didn't really customize that, or else you would like clearly see sort of a maybe VERTEX style hood or so. Maybe, who knows, they're actually I don't know, maybe there would be like extra detail on the hood or anything, but no, nothing much on the hood. So yeah, blacked out interior, regular windshield tint, and of course you do have the windshield banner. Before I forget to mention, it does say VERTEX right there in sort of like that matte yellowish gold color right there on the windshield, which is actually pretty sick. I really like that detail, very nice. Moving down to the other side right here, pretty simple, I would say, pretty similar to the other side just now, which is actually pretty cool. I do really like it. It's actually pretty clean and I do really like it. Sort of like that JDM-esque sort of vibes, which I do really like. What does it say at the back right there? You do have something that it says right there. Tokyo car. I don't know, what does that say? Tokyo car make fan, I would say, I think. Not entirely sure, but if you can read it, yeah, you can maybe let me know down in the comments. I don't really know what does that say. It says like Tokyo can, I don't know, Tokyo can make something. I cannot read the last part right there. I'm not entirely sure what is that. But yeah, if you do know, you can let me know down in the comment section down below. So you do have the red rear lights right here, of course tinted in red, of course, very nice. Do really like that. No Nissan logo in the middle, but it's fine. You do have a VERTEX blacked out license plate right here with the VERTEX, of course, text right there as well. Single exhaust tip right here on the side, the left side right here, color in this sort of matte yeah, matte gray, matte silver sort of color. So it's basically tinted right there, I mean, sorry, colored in this sort of matte gray, which is actually pretty cool. Love to see it. And let's move on to the base, the bottom of the car. So yeah, matte black metal base, just if you're wondering. Tarmac works, VERTEX Nissan Silvia S13, made in China, 1/64 scale. Overall pretty nice. Do really like it. the details of this car is actually pretty fantastic. And if I'm not mistaken, the S14 also has sort of like this red color version, which I'm gonna try to find it and maybe get my hands on it, because maybe of the color matching, the matching color, of course, the metallic red color, which I would be happy to get my hands on it if I'll still be able to find it, that's for sure. But S13 in this sort of metallic red paint scheme, I like it. It's actually pretty fascinating, pretty clean, very nice. Those out there who love JDM Japanese red, or maybe other colors, sort of like clean colored cars, you can go get your hands on this. Even though this is not actually its first time released, if I'm not mistaken. I believe it has released before in a different color, this S13. I don't remember what color, but yeah, there are some colors that are on its way and some colors that have been debuted previously. One of the colors that are actually on its way that I'm actually waiting for is the S13 in sort of like that white and tan colored S13, which is actually a two-tone paint job, and that is apart from the Lamley Group collaboration, which I'm waiting to get my hands on. Hopefully it should be released by the end or maybe middle of 2024. Hopefully Tarmac Works will be able to debut it soon so that I can get my hands on it and review it to you guys. But other than that, yeah, you can go ahead and get this car if you're a fan of Silvias as well. But let's say if you're more to the Japanese JDM cars, there are other wide variety of Japanese JDM cars. Besides this, you don't just need to get this sort of car. You can go with the red or maybe other colors. What else? Toyota Chaser, maybe, who knows. RX-7 is also available. S15 is also there. Oh yeah, just if you're wondering, this doesn't apply to like these regular Tarmac Works cars as well, as there will be a new series that the founder of Tarmac Works himself, Felix Kwong, did mention that they are opening a new sort of a new part towards Tarmac, where they actually released a J-Car collection or J-Car series, where basically Felix Kwong, he sort of makes cars. I mean, not makes cars, he debuts Japanese cars, JDM cars, in a certain series, such as, well, so far it has been leaked that there is gonna be a Toyota A86 Corolla. What else? There's gonna be a Mazda RX-7, a Honda NSX, the regular Nissan Silvia S13, the one not with the VERTEX body kit or anything. Yeah, there are more JDM sort of cars that are on its way in the J collection. Oh yeah, one more I forgot to mention. The Honda CVCC is also quite a popular car, on its way to the J collection JDM series. Maybe at some times I might actually buy it and review it for you guys in the near future, so you may stay tuned. I might get my hands on something like the Mazda RX-7, maybe the Honda NSX, or maybe the Honda CVCC, who knows, because they are heavily detailed and pretty clean JDM cars. But yeah, with that out of the way, I guess that's all for today's video. And just if you're wondering, I did buy this from 2 Monster Shop. If you are from Malaysia, you can get your hands on it by visiting their store in Cyberjaya, or if you're, let's say, not able to go there, you can buy it from their Shopee page, link down in the description down below. Or if you're not from Malaysia, you can go get your hands on it from the Tarmac Works website. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the VERTEX Nissan Silvia S13, colored in this awesome looking metallic red. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.